We cabbed this cab, I think it's Jasper. Found it in my stash of rocks, and I think we'll be able to get 4 of them, sort of like that. They'll be similar, at least they're out of the same rock. But I'm gonna wire wrap it. I think I'm cutting my wire way too long because I've got 2 pieces of round 20 gauge copper wire, and it's 26 inches long. So let's get started. I'm gonna take one of them and wrap around the other one. I might have to make some other types of wire wrap instead of just doing these all the time. Every one I do of these turns out different because but I let the wire speak to me. And sometimes it's a little ornery. And it don't want to cooperate. Alright. So we're gonna do I want that at the top or the bottom? We're going to use that as the top, I guess. And go all the way back to the back. And then go up with that one. So, yeah. We'll hold that stone in place. Go across. Go up. And go down. So, we've got it like that. If I can get it to turn. Let's see, this curls a whole lot better than the square wire I was using. I think that gauge of wire is too thick for my hands. I was using, we swirled and went up here and wrapped it around this one. I was using square wire and it don't look that much bigger. But it's stiffer for some reason. It must be half hard. I don't think it's dead soft. Because this is dead soft. So I might save it for something else. We'll wrap it around like that. And go down. Take it behind the stone. And go around. And we've got this. Alright, now. I don't know if I want to make the bell yet or not. I think I'll hold off because I might get another wire up there long enough that I can use 2 wires. Alright, I'm going to take this one and curl over that end. Sort of tighten it up a little bit. Go one more time. And we're going to go up to the top. And wrap it around. This pliers, tighten it down a little bit. Now, we've got that. Went up and tightened it around here. I'll take this one and I'm going to do the same thing up here. Get these two out of the way. And just go around, make a curl. I don't think I want to go another round, so we're going to take that down. Let's see. Get that where I want it. Pull it a little bit more. And then we'll go that way. Wrap it around. Would it help if I had my glasses on? I didn't even have my glasses on. I'm like, why can't I not see what I'm doing? Now, I'm going to walk that around a little bit and try to tighten it up. Now, probably going to take these two up here at the top. Wrap that one around that again. And tighten it down. And we'll use those two for our bell. I have. I think I grabbed the wrong one. Alright. Now, see where I can connect that. Do I need that wire for anything? No, I'm not going to do anything else there. So, we're going to cut this here. And whatever you have left over, you just use to make earrings. Or a little small pendant or something. Wouldn't waste my wire. Somehow I gotta get that one to come up. Make sure that's tight enough there. Alright, now this one. We got two left. And I'll put that one there. I'm going to take that one there. Because I didn't want to take them too far up. Alright. See, I didn't even need that much wire. It's enough to make some bracelet links or something. Earrings. Alright, and this is the part where you sort of tweak it a little bit and get it the way you want it to look. Well, y'all, thanks for watching. And I'm going to put a little bit of a video in here of us cutting that stone. Or at least of the cutting of that stone. And I don't know if you'll find it interesting or not. If you don't, just skip past that part. And well, yeah, there's our pendant. And I appreciate y'all watching and sticking it out to the end. It really helps me out. And until next time, y'all take care of yourself. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.